Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to look at this integral from 0 to pi over 4 of cosine of x times 1 plus tan square of x divided by sine x plus cosine of x dx. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you support my channel by hitting the subscribe button. So let's dive right into this integral. So we can start off by doing some simple factorization. Cosine of x times 1 plus tan square x divided by, I can factorize cosine of x from the denominator, and that will be sine of x over cosine of x plus 1 dx. And this simplifies to the cosine of x will cancel in the numerator and the denominator. That will be left with 1 plus tan square of x in the numerator divided by sine of x plus cosine of x is tan of x plus 1 dx. So with this one, we can now do a u sub. We can let u to be equal to tan of x. When x is equals to 0, we have u to be equal to tan of 0. That is 0. When x is equals to pi over 4, we have u to be equal to tan of pi over 4. Tan of pi over 4 is tan 45, which is 1. So our integrals will change from 0 to 1. What about dx? If u is equal to tan of x, then x is going to be tan inverse of u, like this. So dx du is going to be 1 over 1 plus u squared. That implies that dx is going to be 1 over 1 plus u squared du. So we can take our integral from the x world into the u world. So we have our integral. Our integral now becomes the integral from 0 to 1 of 1 plus tan square x. That is 1 plus tan of x is u, so that is u squared, divided by tan x plus 1, that is u plus 1, times dx, and dx is the same as 1 over u squared du. That is 1 over 1 plus u squared du, like this. So this one is really trivial now. This is just cancelling out nicely. Then have 1 over du, like this. And this one is the natural logarithm of natural logarithm of the absolute value of u plus 1, and you are integrating that from 0 to 1. So this is really natural logarithm of 1 plus 1 minus the natural logarithm of 1 plus 0, which is the natural logarithm of 2 minus the natural logarithm of 1, and that is equal to the natural logarithm of 2. So therefore our integral, which is the integral from 0 to pi over 4 of cosine of x times 1 plus tan square of x divided by sine x plus cosine of x dx. This is evaluating nicely to natural logarithm of 2. Yeah, so if you find this video helpful, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, so that I'll continue uploading engaging tutorials on integrals. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.